Hey there everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to download Lords Mobile on your PC. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So first thing first, to play Lords Mobile on your PC, you will need an app called BlueStack. In order to download BlueStack, just head over to Google and search for BlueStack and download it from the Google. Now on BlueStack, head over to the search bars and type in Lords Mobile. The Lords Mobile app should be listed below the search. Just click on it. Now on the Lords Mobile's app page, just click on Install from Google. Now this will launch the BlueStack app player, and you will need to download it from the Google Play Store. Once the BlueStack app player loads up, just type in Lords Mobile on the search bar. Now the BlueStack will show me a list of various games. From here, just click on Lords Mobile. Now you should be redirected to Google's Play Store. From here, just click on Install to install the game. Now the download and installation of the game will be automatic. So once the download is complete, you can just click on Play to play the game. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you have any confusion, just leave your queries down in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos as such. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss our future videos. Thanks for watching.